Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're showcasing an astonishing collection of 500 impressive industrial machines operating at peak efficiency. These cutting-edge machines are designed to perform complex tasks with remarkable precision and power. From advanced manufacturing robots and gigantic mining machines to high-tech construction equipment and powerful agricultural machinery, prepare to be amazed by the technological wonders that drive modern industry. Let's begin with some of the most advanced manufacturing robots that redefine precision and efficiency. ABI-RB 6700, a highly versatile industrial robot known for its speed and precision in assembly lines. KUKA KR Quantec, renowned for its flexibility and high performance in various industrial applications. M2000EA, a powerful robot designed for heavy payload handling with incredible accuracy. Yaskawa Motoman MH24 offers exceptional speed and efficiency in welding and material handling. Universal Robots R10E, a collaborative robot that excels in precision tasks while ensuring safety. Next, let's delve into the world of gigantic mining machines that tackle the toughest jobs on the planet. Caterpillar 6090FS, the largest hydraulic mining excavator in the world, with unmatched digging power. Liebherr T284, a colossal mining truck known for its incredible payload capacity and efficiency. Komatsu PC80006, a massive excavator designed for heavy-duty mining operations. Hitachi X80006, excels in mining tasks with its robust design and powerful performance. LAS 75710, the largest mining truck globally, capable of hauling immense loads with ease. Construction projects require high-tech equipment for efficiency and precision. Here are some standout machines. Caterpillar D11, a powerful bulldozer known for its durability and performance in tough conditions. Liebherr LTM 11200-9.1, the most powerful mobile crane in the world, capable of lifting up to 1,200 tons. Volvo EC950F, a versatile excavator that combines power with advanced technology for optimal performance. Komatsu D575A3SD, the largest bulldozer ever built, designed for the most challenging projects. John Deere 1050K, combines immense power with advanced technology for efficient earthmoving. Agriculture relies on powerful machinery to boost productivity and efficiency. Here are some impressive examples. John Deere S790, a state-of-the-art combine harvester designed for maximum yield production. IH Magnum 380, known for its power and versatility in various farming tasks. New Holland CR 10.90 offers exceptional harvesting performance with advanced technology. Fendt 1050 Vario, a powerful tractor that excels in demanding agricultural applications. Ploss Lexion 8900, combines power with precision for optimal harvesting results. Material handling is crucial in various industries. Here are some efficient machines that stand out. Calmer DCG 720-10 lb, a heavy-duty forklift designed for handling large loads with precision. Hyster H16XM12, known for its robust design and efficiency in material handling tasks. Crown C5 Series, a versatile forklift that excels in warehouse operations. Toyota 8F BMT25, combines power with advanced technology for optimal performance in material handling. Jungheinrich EFG 550, a powerful electric forklift designed for demanding material handling tasks. Road construction requires high-performance machines for efficiency and precision. Here are some noteworthy examples. Caterpillar AP655F, known for its precision and efficiency in asphalt paving. ABG7820C, offers advanced features for optimal asphalt paving performance. Vogel Super 3002, a high-capacity paver designed for large-scale road projects. Dynapack SD2500CS, combines power with precision for efficient paving. Bomag BF800C, a robust paver designed for demanding road construction tasks. Drilling and boring are essential in various industries. Here are some advanced machines that excel in these tasks. Sandvik DD880, known for its precision and efficiency in drilling operations. Atlas Copco Flexi Rock T45, offers advanced technology for efficient drilling in tough conditions. BM32, a powerful drilling rig designed for large-scale mining projects. Caterpillar MD6250, combines power with precision for optimal drilling performance. Liebherr LB44-510, a robust drilling rig designed for deep foundation work. Recycling is crucial for sustainability. Here are some state-of-the-art machines designed for efficient recycling. Metso Locatrack LT106, a mobile crusher known for its efficiency in recycling construction waste. Comptech Crambo, a versatile shredder that excels in processing various types of waste. Terex Ecotech TDS-V20, offers advanced features for efficient recycling operations. Tetra Pak Tetra Prisma Aseptic 1000, offers advanced technology for efficient packaging. Krones Contiform 3 Pro, a versatile machine that excels in high-speed packaging. Ishida RV Series, combines precision with efficiency for optimal packaging performance. Multivac R145, a robust packaging machine designed for various applications. Robotics play a significant role in modern manufacturing. Here are some cutting-edge robots. AbHuman, a collaborative robot designed for precision tasks in manufacturing. KUKA LBR-EWA, known for its flexibility and high performance in various industrial applications. Fanuc CR35EA, a powerful robot designed for heavy payload handling with incredible accuracy. Yaskawa Motoman HC10, offers exceptional speed and efficiency in welding and material handling. Universal Robots UR5E, a versatile robot that excels in precision tasks while ensuring safety. These 500 impressive industrial machines operating at peak efficiency are a true testament to the advancements in modern engineering and technology. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.